Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great today. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm gonna be making some Subway. So I thought about buying some Subway, but then I was like, things are too expensive nowadays. Why buy it when you can try to make it yourself? So here it is. So I went ahead and washed my chicken. After I was done washing it, I went ahead, I cut it up, slice it already good, like how you see here, because that way when I season it, I want my seasoning to go through it really good. So after I was done with that, it was time for me to season it. And then what I used for my seasoning was just the basic seasoning. Black pepper, paprika, turmeric, rosemary, garlic, a little bit of vegetable oil, chicken bouillon. I went ahead, I stirred it up, and I set that aside for about 15 minutes. So I went ahead and added a little bit of vegetable oil to the pan, so that way it will prevent the chicken from sticking. And then went ahead and add my chicken. Just keep turning your chicken around until it's ready. So my chicken is finally ready, and I went ahead, took it out of the pan, and this is how it looks. So I went ahead and add my bell peppers to my pan just to give it that little bit of smokiness, and then also add some onions to it. I went ahead and put my bread in the oven. So everything is ready for my sandwich. I went ahead and I made a sauce. That's the sauce right there. And it's time to make the sandwich. So for my sandwich, I went ahead with the layer of my sauce. After I add my sauce, I went in with my lettuce. After my lettuce, I went in with my bell peppers and my onions. And then after that, I went in with my chicken. And then after my chicken, I went in and I added another layer of the sauce. And then afterwards, I went and I had a little bit of onions. And I sprinkled a little bit of onions on top of it. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit, bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye. She puts her hand